We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty garment rack. List number 1. Amazon Basics Adjustable Garment Rolling Organizer Rack. Heavy-duty double-hanging multifunctional rolling garment rack organizer for storing clothing and accessories. Hang garments at 2 different levels on upper and lower rods for double the storage space. Top and bottom level wire shelving for placing boxes, hats, shoes, and more. Adjustable height. Made of durable alloy steel with a polished chrome finish. 3-inch rubber caster wheels with locking mechanism to keep rack securely in place. List number 2. Simple Trending Standard Clothing Garment Rack. Perfect for expanding your wardrobe or using as a spare open closet that add extra hanging storage space. It is great for laundry room, bedroom, even for display in a store or market. Heavy-duty 306 dig wheels in bottom. It can be easily moved and rearranged to meet your needs. And the grid bottom shelf for shoes or boxes to create extra storage. List number 3. Vipic V6 Wire Garment Rack. Vipic freestanding clothes closet offer you a super sturdy and stable option for creating garment and accessory storage. It is suitable for cloakrooms, apartments, dressing rooms, laundry room, second-hand goods stores, school dormitories, etc. Makes it easy to organize messy clothes and shoes. L-shape for small spaces like corner, apartment, and bedroom. Straight line shape for walk-in closet, cloakroom, and clothing store. Vipic's metal frame is powder-coated to protect it from water and rust. The hanging rods can be attached to the frame according to your needs. List number 4. Summix Heavy-Duty Clothes Rack. The rustic and industrial design makes Summix Clothes Rack a decorative piece for clothing stores, boutiques, or retail businesses. With double rail, it is perfect for displaying vintage or new clothing in an attractive and elegant way. The wheels make the clothes rack incredibly practical so you can easily transport clothes around your store or studio. Works as a clever solution to store all your piled up clothes without taking up a large amount of floor space. This super cool and stylish pipe garment rack works well in a loft apartment with no closet space, in an attic for keep seasonal clothes. List number 5. Kemener Heavy-Duty Rolling Garment Rack. The garment rack provides 2 hanging bars for easy organizing. Hang shirts on one bar and pants on the other. Or hang lighter summer items up top and heavier jackets and winter clothes below. Upper and lower adjustable height shelves provide added storage space. Perfect for place hats, bags, accessories, luggage, or shoes on either shelf. Equipped with 4 rubber casters, the clothing rack moves easily from room to room. 2 of the wheels can be locked, securing the rack in place and easily unlocked when it's time to move again.